Hello, children. Today we are going to start with a new chapter of social science from our book Looking Around. Chapter 20, Eating Together. Let's start with the mind mapping of this chapter. When we hear the word eating together, what comes in our mind? We can eat together on picnic, in a class party, on wedding, on festivals, on birthdays. Even during the midday meal, we can eat together. Children, let's learn about the aims and objectives of studying this chapter. To know about the class party, to know about the festival of Bihu, to know about midday meal. The school reopened after vacations. The children shared news about how they spent their holidays. Aarti attended her uncle's wedding and had a lot of fun. David inquired what she liked the most about wedding. She answered she enjoyed the wedding feast the most, and she also said she had lot of fun with her cousins and other relatives eating and doing everything together. After listening to Aarti's story, how she enjoyed her uncle's marriage, the children decided to have some fun together. David suggested of having a class party. They all decided that they can also eat and have fun together. Rihanna also gave the example of her colony. Whenever they have festivals, they collect money from everyone for the party. They cook some dishes and buy other things from the market. They decided to have a party on Saturday, which is a half day. Everyone in the class decided that they each would bring for the party. On Saturday, the children really enjoyed their party. Children enjoyed the party on Saturday. There was so much variety of food. They also played many games. They sang and danced as well. Celebrating Bihu. This is a story about a girl Sonmani and her friends who are celebrating festival of Bihu. Sonmani woke up early and ran to meet her friends Tanveer, Fatima and Mazini. The village was celebrating Bihu in Assam. The four friends sang and chatted happily as they made the bhelaghar from bamboo. They wanted to finish making the bhelaghar of grass and bamboo before the feast tonight. As today is Uruka, the whole village will eat together. The first day is called Uruka, and that day people build a temporary shed called Belaghar and have a community feast in that Belaghar. The new rice crop was harvested. Everyone in the village has contributed money to buy the bora rice, fish, and vegetables for the feast. But Harya and Bhadia have not given money, but they were helping with all the work. The whole village is busy making pitha. Some people were cooking and some were roasting sweet potatoes. In the evening, everyone will be served tea and pitha. Water was boiled in tau, a big vessel for preparing cheva rice. A big kadahi containing soaked rice is put on this vessel and is then covered with banana leaves. After some time, the cheva rice will be cooked and ready to eat. After the belaghar was ready, the four friends ran off to change their clothes. Soon all the people in the village got together at one place. The women were dressed in pat and muga mekhala chadar. Sonmani and her friends ran to the belaghar. The drums started to play and everyone started to sing and dance. Everyone danced till they were tired. Then they all sat down on the ground in rows and ready to eat. The food was served on banana leaves. Everyone enjoyed the feast. That night they all stayed in Belaghar. Next day they lit Mezi and Belaghar. Let's learn about the midday meal program. It was 1 o'clock in the afternoon. The smell of the food cooking is coming from the veranda, and their stomachs were rumbling. The children were feeling hungry. So, Master Moshai sent all children to the hand pump at the corner of the courtyard. After washing their hands, the students stood in queue for the meal. Some had their own boxes and others had plates. Then they all sat down in a circle with their food and started eating. Bhat sukto, rice with vegetable and gravy, was being served. Didi Moni said it was their duty to serve fresh food to the students. Let's recap some of the new terms learned in this chapter. Uruka. The first day of Bihu is called Uruka. People build temporary shed called Bhelagar and have a community feast. Bhelagar, a temporary shed made up of bamboo and grass. Magh Bihu, harvest festival which is celebrated in Assam on 14th and 15th of January. Bhat Sukto, rice with vegetable and gravy. Bora, a variety of rice used in Assam which is sticky. Thank you, and I hope the concept is clear to you.